A very good afternoon, Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And we continue to take a look on what's happening in the nation of Zimbabwe without fear, without favor. President Advocate Nelson Chamisa gave his remarks about what Comrade Geza said about everybody backing him. And I'm going to explain in detail what really happened. So President Chamisa came, congratulated Kirsty Coventry for being elected the new IOC president. Then after that, we have seen that there was something which is coming from a guy, Anonzie Mafukidze, who said, Hans Munoda Chiwenga, president. This is a question which is being asked to President Chamisa, a man who have maintained neutrality, a man who have said, I'm now dealing with the issue of citizens. I now stand with the citizens, not aligned to any political affiliation. That is his position. So he responded to this, and I hope and believe that this is going to be very, very clear. And it seems to our duty is to look at things, analyze, and then give feedback. So he said, I want to clarify that my door is always open to speak with anyone who reaches out to me for constructive conversations and nation building, but I have not been involved in recent dialogues with anyone. I don't want to be made the focal point of things that have nothing to do with me. So this is something which is very, very important right here. I'm highlighting focal point. This is where everything is. Let me be honest with you. When you look at it, Comrade Geza, he is coming representing himself. And Zimbabweans are following Comrade Geza, not President Chamisa. Whatever which is happening right now, everybody is paying attention to Comrade Geza.